In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $900 job. I'm not going to show you how to do it. I'm going to do a walk around with somebody. This is a $900 job right here in Little Town, Indiana, Richmond, Indiana, that you can do the same, and it'll be just a nice little walk around of what you can do and how you can do it. Yes, it is $900 for less than 172 bulbs. So watch this video and learn. Power right there. You got all kinds of stuff plugged into it too. Power's right there. We'll run down through here and up this gutter and up that gutter.
Gutter. This will be our first start right here, okay? So I'm gonna have you start clipping from there. Got it? Right, very in there.
Now, can I interject here?
Yes, you can.
You want to do the top first, so then that way you're not dragging your lights over this line and causing you to pull them down.
You ready to get up there?
Does that make sense?
No, it definitely does.
Because if you do it here, you'll be knocking them off trying to get them up. So you always want to start at the top. So I don't want to be interjecting, but that's something that makes life a lot easier. And then that's got the male on it, so you'll want to put it right here on this end. So that way you can do one extension cord and go all the way up and hit both of them.
Melon on here. What we do is we cut 1 inch shorter. See that?
1/4 inch.
Yeah, about a 1/4 inch or so. Maybe not even. And that just shoves down in there. Fold it over. Give it a good push.
That's all you got to do.
That's all you gotta do. Pop it on. Now once we plug this in, we should have power on all this. Reach it. Stop it right here.
Yeah, that's at the corner of the house.
All right, so what I like to do is, because we are going along the sidewalk here, people do like to shovel their sidewalks, so I try to keep the stake light about 1 foot off. So if you're going 1 foot off there, you want to try to keep it 1 foot off the contour of the landscape. So the easy way to do that is just stick your foot out. Come on, a little more, actually. Right there. That'll be your start. You don't have to push it all the way in, just you want to leave a little bit for, you know, so that ball can drain out. There does get snow or water in too, so. And I'll run power this.
Yep.
Try to keep them nice and straight.
And tight. There's the easy way to do it. Yeah, because I mean you can see you kind of got it, and if you hold it there, that also gives you your nice straight lines, and versus trying to do each individual one. Yep.
Getting straight right there.
Does that make sense? Because you can see where you did them when they're loose, they don't look as, they're kind of going in and out.
Yep.
And it's about time at the end of the day of, because they'll look good, as long as they're nice and tight, they'll look good at that point. So.
I'm a little bit of a perfectionist, so I kind of like to go back here and
I mean, we have been here a whopping 30 minutes so far.
smaller house that I can count. I'm trying to
Count.
double check.
Yep.
So I got 104 for the roof line. Here's I do a note. So you can see, this is this job. So that was 1 year, 1,048, 3-year agreement, brings it down to 890. Then I make my notes. I do 108 on the
An 80-foot ground stake. And what did you bid it at?
should be that 188 feet. But now here's what I got: 176 feet.
So
after
you
counting. So I'm a little bit
short.
even. No, I'm actually.
Yeah, you're
Make more
short
money.
and you made more
Right.
money. Now, do you do how do you get that first quote? Do you do it on Google Earth and then?
Yeah.
Well, this one's an easy one to measure
Right.
because it's just straight. You can measure it right out of the get-go.
Right. Yeah, it's usually I use that in a combination with the property card.
So you did 890,
890 for
and you had 176 bulbs.
176.
176 bulbs is even at $2 a foot. You still,
That's $5.05 a bulb. Is what I made on that.
Right.
And our price was about less than $1.50 for the bill.
so, right, that's pretty good. It's not too shabby. Day's worth of work
That's
for 30 minutes.
right.
30 minutes, $900. I'll take that.
All day.
And it's a 3-year agreement, so next year it's $900 for 30 minutes worth of work.
Actually, probably less because
Yeah, you know
now it's just
everything's
popping
done.
back in.
Yep. Yeah, if you had somebody here with you that knew what you're doing, this is a 30-minute job.
Good.
Always check, make sure you got anything.
I will check. I'll put that tire on decimal dollars right as you set it at.
Is that what they want, or is that
Well, I usually set it. They don't want that.
they can switch it?
Ready? Go to the side of it. Bulldozer getting away.
It goes in the back side of it.
Yeah.
You're backwards.
Like this.
I gotta do a video on that to teach you how to do it.
I get confused with the ratchet strap, I'm not gonna lie. Damn right. I didn't say I was smart.
You don't have to be smart, right? You ain't gotta be the A student in the class. You just gotta be the C student in this class. Maybe even maybe not even the person that passes. The A student only does so well. The A student works for the C students. You laugh because you know it's true.